Introducing Rust-Oleum's Concrete Interior Wall Paint. Who needs the hassle of contractors when you can DIY it in a day? This paint creates the effect without the cost and inconvenience of real concrete being applied. Here is how. Remove the furniture from the area you are painting and cover the floors. Gather your supplies in advance. Prior to painting, prime your walls with Zinsser Bulls Eye 123 Gray Primer. Be sure to stir the primer well. Using a 3/8" nap roller, roll the primer into a paint tray. Evenly roll the primer onto the surface. When the primer is dry, you're ready to apply the concrete accent wall paint. Open the can and use a stir stick to thoroughly mix the paint. Pour the paint into a small paint tray. Dip a 2 to 3 inch paintbrush into the paint and then brush off the excess. Rust-Oleum's concrete interior wall paint is thicker and intentionally designed to show texture. Apply the paint using a cross-hatching motion. The first coat of paint will appear semi-transparent. You can make small, soft strokes as shown, or large strokes for a more dramatic effect. The variety of strokes allows for a more textured appearance. Apply the second coat and continue using the cross-hatching motion. The second coat provides more depth to the paint, allowing texture to build. This wall paint dries quickly, and with a little DIY initiative, you can have a unique, custom, beautiful new room in no time.